How the ultra-rich travel the world. Have you ever dreamed of living a life where every day feels like a vacation? Where business meetings take place on private islands and leisure time is spent exploring exotic destinations? Well, that dream is not just for the movies, it's a reality for the ultra-rich. Welcome back to Wondrous Millionaires, your go-to channel for insights into the extravagant lifestyles of the ultra-rich. Today, we delve into the fascinating world of how the wealthiest individuals traverse the globe in style and luxury. How the ultra-rich travel the world. It's a question that intrigues many, and I, Molly, the mastermind behind Wondrous Millionaires, has the answer. But let's delve deeper into the world of ultra-rich travel. For the ultra-rich, time is the most precious commodity. With a packed schedule of important meetings and engagements, efficiency is paramount. This is why they opt for private jets, where every aspect of their journey is tailored to their exacting standards. From personalized onboard services to the flexibility of departure times, private jets offer unparalleled convenience and comfort. It's not just about lavish accommodations and extravagant experiences, it's about leveraging business opportunities to fund luxurious adventures. Ultra-rich have understood this concept intimately, having turned their ventures into gateways to exclusive destinations around the globe. While private jets and yachts are the hallmark modes of transportation for the ultra-rich, they also value exclusivity and discretion. This is why they often utilize exclusive airports and marinas, ensuring their comings and goings remain under the radar. Consider, for instance, the psychology behind high-end travel. What drives the ultra-rich to seek out these opulent experiences? It's not just about flaunting wealth, it's about indulging in the finer things life has to offer while maintaining a balance between work and leisure. Ultra-rich embody this ethos, seamlessly blending business acumen with a passion for exploration. And speaking of exploration, ultra-rich's top destinations for business and leisure are nothing short of spectacular. From the pristine beaches of the Lakshadweep to the bustling streets of Italy, they have seen it all. But luxury travel isn't just about jet-setting to exotic locales, it's also about creating lasting memories and experiences that money can't buy. Ultra-rich understands this concept implicitly, which is why they are dedicated to philanthropy and giving back to the communities that have enriched his life. As we look to the future of luxury travel, one thing is clear: the possibilities are endless. From sustainable tourism initiatives to innovative technologies, the world of high-end travel is evolving rapidly, and ultra-rich is at the forefront of it all. From business retreats to luxury transportation, from self-care to philanthropy, their insights will inspire and enlighten you. And who knows? You might just pick up a few tips for living your own life of luxury. And here's a bonus fact for our viewers. Did you know that some of the world's wealthiest individuals prefer to travel incognito, even own their own private islands, where they can escape the pressures of the world and enjoy absolute privacy and seclusion? It's just one of the many secrets of the ultra-rich's travel world that we will uncover in future episodes. So, there you have it, a glimpse into how the ultra-rich travel the world in unparalleled style and luxury. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Wondrous Millionaires for more exclusive insights into the lifestyles of the rich and famous. You can dive into our business segment by clicking on the playlist on the left and into self-care segment on the right. We'll see you again.